Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore NTFS permissions using icacls commands step by step clearly. Open your command prompt with administrative privileges. To do this, search for CMD in the Start menu. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Once the command prompt window opens, type the command to navigate to the folder you want to restore permissions for. For example, use cdc:/path/ to your folder press enter to execute the command. Next, to display the current NTFS permissions, use the command icacls*. This command will show you the existing permissions for all files and subfolders in the directory. If you need to back up the current permissions, you can use the command icacls*/saveiclfile.txt. This will create a text file named icaclfile.txt in your current directory. To restore NTFS permissions from a backup, use the command icacls*/restore_icaclfile.txt. This will apply the permissions saved in the specified text file to your folder and its contents. If you want to reset permissions to default, you can use icacls*/reset. This will remove all permissions and apply the default permissions for the current user. For specific permissions, use the command icacls_filename/grant username satface permissions. Replace filename with the specific file's name, username with the actual username, and permissions with the required access level, such as F for full access. To apply this to all files in a directory, use icacls**grant username satface permissions. After making all necessary changes, you can verify the permissions again by running icacls**. This will ensure that the new settings have been applied correctly. Close the command prompt once you have finished reviewing the results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.